Hello and welcome back. Been painting this. I haven't done much of the filming for painting this. It was a bit long-winded. The original green I chose, the paint wasn't brilliant, so I had to strip it all back down and start from fresh again. But yeah, we had other things to do as well. But a week later, and here we are. We're all painted. I've just put the very last coat on. We need to put another coat of lacquer on top of that, and then we'll be ready for final assembly. Alright, now we've let the paint dry, we're ready for our final assembly on this thing. I'm going to take this off its mount here, and we'll just slide it onto the body. There we go. Put these in. There we go. All finished. There we go, get it focused properly. There we go.